In front of me is Nothing Phone 3A Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Start by opening Devices Settings and scrolling a tiny bit to hit this section called Security and Privacy. Now scroll again and this time click here on Device Unlock. Before we continue, quick disclaimer. You won't be able to set up face recognition without screen lock. So make sure to have it, and if you don't, hit screen lock here and pick one of those login methods to set it up. Then go back to Device Unlock section and tap on Face Unlock. After you do, you'll have to enter your current screen lock and then hit Setup at the bottom right corner. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then hit Done. So now, when I go back, switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. If you will ever wanna manage some options of your face recognition, go back to the same section in Settings, hit Face Unlock, enter your screen lock and manage all of those over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!